Hello guys, am I audible? Once confirm that am I audible or not. Let's wait for 2 more minutes others to join. Then we will start the session. I have been not started yet, so don't worry. I was muted wantedly. Let's wait for 1 more minute others to join. Then I will start the session. Okay. Okay. Today's topic is dictionaries. In dictionary is nothing but it's a one of the data structure again in Python. Now we have seen list, tuples, and the third one is dictionary. Now we can see one common thing in list and tuple that both are used for collecting the items. Now the data structures mean that the data is used to store inside the things. We structure the data inside the things. So these things are called data structures. In that, dictionary is also one kind of data structures, which is used to collect the items, but in kindly some different manner. Like in dictionaries, we collect the data in amount of key and value pairs. The collection of key and value pairs. This kind of combination of collection is called as dictionaries. Okay, chat. So let's see the general syntax of dictionaries. Now, general syntax of dictionary is like I will write one dict, a variable, and the dictionaries are represented with curly braces in which I will write key one, for which I'm gonna keep colon and give a value 1 as a pair to key 1, and I will keep a comma. So this is one pair which has one key, one item, which has one key, one item, and which also has one value, one item. For key one item, value one item is paired. When I see what is the value for the key one item, it is value one. And when I see what is the key for value one item, it's key one. They are paired. They are the part of each other. So this is one item in dictionaries. And in that way, key to, value to, so on. In this way, you can declare the dictionary inside in the Python. Now this is the syntax. Now in dictionary, there are few features that we can see in dictionaries. Like it has some properties that dictionary don't have any kind of order. Any kind of order. That's as we see some order in list, that it is as we write some random numbers, and when we sort it, then we will get some ascending order of if I write 2 1 3, and when I sort it, I might get 1 2 3 after sorting in list. But in dictionaries, you can see that we have no order. We don't have any order inside the dictionary. And we have the another property is mutability. That is, we can change our dictionary according to our convenience. We can change our dictionary. Like we can change our list, and we cannot change our tuple because list is mutable and tuple is not mutable. And the another one is indexed. It is indexed. That means dictionaries are having same the indexing concept like strings, lists, and tuples. Like when we want, let's first see the example of dictionary, and from that we will take how does the indexing works. And the main property which makes individuality from list and tuple is no duplicates. Like suppose when I create a list L, I might write 1 comma 2 comma 1. If I create a tuple, I might write 1 comma. So for tuple, normal parenthesis should be used 1 comma 2 comma 1. But in dictionaries, they don't have duplicates. Each and every key is returned only once. There are no duplicates in dictionaries. Are you able to understand, chat? What are the properties of dictionaries? It's easy. That dictionary has no order and it has a mutability property that we can change the items inside the dictionary. You can expect that changing mutability property gives the data structure more methods. And the properties of another property of dictionary is indexing, and another property is no duplicates. We cannot keep any duplicates inside our dictionary. Now, the next thing is methods of dictionary. Let's see what are the methods inside our dictionary. Before taking the methods of dictionary, let's see what is the example of dictionary and how many data types, how can we consider inside the dictionary. Now, like list and tuple, we can consider any data type, like at a time or another times, different kind of times, we can consider any data type. Like we can consider integer, boolean, floating type, and string. Like let us consider an example of dictionary. That is, I will write a dictionary and the first key is age. Now, when I write age, here age is a string. It is a string. And I will write here 72. Age is a string, and the whatever I provide a value 72 is an integer. And for age key, the value is 72. In this way, the pairing of dictionary works. Now I will take another one, marks. When I write marks, there might be more than one subjects, like different kind of subjects, like more than ones. One is mathematics, one is science, one is physics. So for different subjects, there will be different marks. You can see here, for different subjects, there are different marks. Now all the marks can be stored inside a list. Now I can give a value to a key as a list. This can be a possible thing, that your value can be also a list. Now I will take one more is name. That is, what might be the name? Some random XYZ. Now this is an example of dictionary. For this dictionary, you can see that we have three keys, and for each key we have value, so that we have three values. Now when we write a particular key, like when I write dict square bracket and I write age and print this thing. When I write like this and print it, do you know chat what I will get? As age is a key and its value is 72, when I print this, I will get as output 72. My output gonna be 72. So that means when I print as an index of key to the dictionary, my output will be a value that is 72. Now, what if I print dictionary value? Will I get key? Will I get key? Chat. Do you think what if I print dictionary of value? Will I get the key? No, it's not gonna happen, because everything in the dictionary, if I print key, getting a value, if I print value, getting a key, it's not a vice versa case. It's not a vice versa case, and it's not gonna happen. When you print a dictionary value, if any key is present with that particular thing, it will gonna print that value. But if you print a value as dictionary value, you will not gonna get key. Okay, chat. Are you able to understand how does the key works? How does the dictionary works, and what is the properties of dictionary, and how can you write a dictionary in Python? Are you able to understand? Write some yes or no in the chat. Okay, fine. Now I'm gonna see what are the methods of dictionary. For methods of dictionary, we will consider the same example which we have taken, and we will see what are the dictionary methods one by one. Now the first method in dictionary is items. Like I'm gonna write dict.items. It will returns a list of key comma value. That means kind of tuple. Let's see. If I write dict dot, which is the already defined variable dictionary, and I will write items. Now, when I do this, let's see in the code, VS Code, how does the output comes? Actually, it gonna print key comma value of the dictionary in tuple format. Like when you print dict dot items, all the items in a dictionary will be printed in the tuple format of key comma value, which will be combined and formed as a list. It seems to be complicated. Let's make it simple. Suppose I have a dictionary with key value A with key and whose value is 1 with key B and whose value is 2 with key C whose value is 3. Okay, let's take 3 items and for that see how does the item function works. When I print this, my output gonna be list of all the key comma value in tuple format. Means that A comma 1 comma B comma 2 comma C comma 3. Are you able to understand, chat? What is the output of items function? Like first it will gather all the key comma value things inside the tuple and take all the tuples will form the collection of items inside a list. This is how the items gonna work. And the second function inside the dictionary is keys, which returns a list containing dictionary keys. When you write a function like dict dot keys, you will get output of list of all keys that present inside the dictionary. So for the same example dict here, I'm gonna write the output. Let's see what will be the output. Output for this will be, it will be the list of all the keys. What are the keys inside the dictionary? A, B, and C. That's it. In this way, the keys function gonna work. And the third function in dictionary is update. Update, what does the update gonna do? Updates the dictionary with supplied key value pairs. When you write the particular key value pair inside the update function, it will add the dictionary with that pair. Means that when I write dict dot update function. Inside this update function, it will take the one more shorter dictionary. One more shorter dictionary. That might be one key and one value. So I will take like this. That is D key and whose value is 4. I will take this dictionary, which is a short kind of dictionary, and I'm gonna pass inside this update function in this way. You can see here, how can I pass inside the, or I'm gonna pass inside the update function, like T as a character, that is string, and 4 value. When I pass inside the update function, the output gonna be this. The list will be get updated. That is, again, same thing will be printed like this. Let me show you that A, comma 1, B, comma 2, C, comma 3, comma D, comma 4. What I have, okay, these are the items of dictionary now. Now D, comma 4 will be added in the dictionary. Okay, okay, chat. D, comma 4 will be added inside the dictionary. Now, what in the dictionary format it will be? It will be like A, 1, B, colon 2, comma, C, colon 3, at last, D, colon 4. In this way, our dictionary update function gonna work. Just it's gonna add at the end of the dictionary. The particular you wanna add, you just write it. Or you want to change some particular value. Suppose let's think that 4 is D. For D key, 4 is a value which is already available. When I write here 3, what it gonna do? It will gonna change. Just it will gonna change 3 here inside our dictionary. Just it will change. Okay, just it will gonna change inside our dictionary. For the D, it's gonna value will be 3. Okay, chat. Do you understand how does the update function works? Okay, great. Now let's take the next function of the dictionary, that is get function. Now get function is very important function. Get function, actually it is used to access the particular value of the key. Now suppose I want to store value of a key inside the variable value underscore key. What I will do, just I will write dict2.get function, and I will mention the particular key. I will mention the particular key inside that get function. When I do this, I will get the value inside the value underscore key variable. That's it. It's written the particular value which is paired with a key inside the dictionary. That's it, chat. Let's see inside in the VS Code how does this function works, so you can understand in better way. Till then, tell me there are any doubts or are you able to understand or not? Just confirm with yes or no that are you able to understand this dictionary method concepts, or you can ask any doubts if you have. I will explain again. If you don't understand any particular thing, just mention what to explain. Now, I will create a new file that is dictionary method. Let me rename this because I haven't given our .py extension. Now it's Python 5. Okay. Now let's create a dictionary as same we taken like a colon 1 comma b colon 2 comma c colon 3. Let's start with basic example, simple example, so you can understand better. What I'm gonna do, just I will print dict. Let's see what is the output gonna be. My output will be same as how I mentioned it to the dict variable. Same like A key 1 value, B key 2 value, C key 3 value. In that way, it gonna print. Now next I what gonna do is first I will use the dictionary method items. Dict.items, and I will print this dict.items, and I will see what will be my output, and I will comment this particular print dictionary. Okay, when I done this, now you can see that dictionary underscore items are A comma 1, B comma 2, C comma 3. Now I have been got printed with this dictionary underscore items thing. How can I get rid of this? What I will do is I will store this dict.items in a particular list because it returns the list. Dict.items is nothing but a key and value pairs in a tuple format, collection all of that in a list. So I will take inside one list variable. When you mention the variable, if it returns a list, that becomes a list variable, basically. Now I will print L, and let us see what will the output now. It's again A comma 1, B comma 2, C comma 3. You can see here, it also coming with a dict variable again. That means we cannot rid of the dict underscore items. We cannot rid of this chat. So you will basically, you gonna know what are the variables and what are the keys and what are the values. Now I will use the another function, that is, what was the another function? It was keys. Okay, chat, it was keys. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna store all keys, no space between the variables. I'm gonna store all keys inside all keys variable. Like I'm gonna write dict dot keys function, and I'm gonna print this. Print all keys. Let's see what does the output. Now you can see all the dict underscore keys has been printed. Once I will print this dictionary also, so I can know how it's gonna work all these simultaneously. When I print items, it will print all the things. It will print a key and value with a pairs in a tuple format in a list. And when I print all the keys which using keys function, it will be looks like a comma b comma c, and it's just a dictionary what we have given to the dict variable. Now let us see our another function, that is index. That is update. Now I will take a small dictionary and see what do I get when I use that particular dictionary. Like I'm gonna write it as print text dot update. I'm gonna write it as C colon 3. Let us see. When I write the available variable, oops, it gone vice versa. Yeah, C colon 3. Let's check what will be the output. Our output is nothing but a none. We are getting none here. Now what I will do, I will change the value of C to 4. Again we will get a none because it does not return anything. When it does not return anything, how do I know that our dictionary is getting changed? For that, what you have to do is you have to print your dictionary again. That we are doing here. Printing the dictionary here and also printing the dictionary before using our update function. So we can compare how it's gonna change. Like I'm printing twice. Let's see now. Now you can see here, for the first time when I print the dictionary, my output was how I have given to the dictionary. In that same way, my dictionary was. Now when I print the output after updating the particular key value, my output is A1, B2, C4 this time because I have updated C with 4 inside the update function. So when I print it, my dictionary is with C colon 4. Are you able to understand, chat? How does the update function work? Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use now get function. I will write dict dot get function and I will write particular b value. And let's print and see that I am able to access the value of b from the dictionary. I should get output 2 because for the key, the value is 2 and I should get the output 2. Let's see. Will I get the output 2 or not? You can see here, our output for dictionary is 2. For key B, the value is 2 here. So in this way, all the dictionary functions will work. Only there are 4 functions in our dictionary. First one is items, second one is keys, third one is update, fourth one is get. Are you able to understand, chat? Just reply yes or no quickly so that I can know are you able to understand or not. I hope so everybody reply individually. If you have any doubts, you can share with me so I can explain. Okay. I think nobody have any doubts. So we have completed with dictionary. So I think it's enough for today. Practice your codes and we will be sharing all the codes with you. Practice it, solve problems, which I have already shared the HackerRank link. Best of luck, prepare well,